Hello dear students, welcome to our English lesson. Today's topic is A Little Goes a Long Way. And today we are going to read for specific information, identify linkers and their uses. Also we will identify pros and cons. First, dear students, let's learn some new words. Listen, read and try to remember. Wander, таңдану. Clean up, тазалау. Harmful gas, зиянды газ. Public transport, қоғамдық көлік. Reuse, қайта қолдану. Recycle, қайта өңдеу. Area, облыс, сала. Set an example, үлгі болу, мысал. Pick up, таңдау. Bin, қоқыс жәшігі. Nice job, students. Students, please look at these pictures. Which picture shows someone planting a tree, someone putting rubbish in a recycling bin, some people cleaning the road? Let's see the answers. Picture A. Someone putting rubbish in a recycling bin. Picture B. Some people cleaning the road. Picture C. Someone planting a tree. Nice job, students. Now, dear students, we are going to listen to the text. How are the pictures related to the text? Listen and read to find out.
So many of us wonder what we can do to clean up our planet. Well, the answer is much simpler than we think. If everyone helps to keep their own neighbourhood clean, they are helping the planet too. Here are some easy tips to make your neighbourhood a cleaner place. 1. Don't use cars. Cars give out harmful gases, so try to use your bicycle or public transport to get around. For short distances, you can also walk. It's not only good for the environment, it's good for your body. 2. Reuse and recycle. Try to think of another way to use the item that you are going to throw away. If you can't reuse it, recycle it. 3. Organize a town cleanup. You can organize a clean-up day in your neighbourhood. Ask your neighbours and your friends to join you and clean up the rubbish from the parks and the streets in your area. 4. Plant flowers and trees. Plant flowers and trees to make your neighbourhood more beautiful. Trees also give us oxygen, so it makes our air cleaner too. 5. Set an example. You should always set a good example. If you see rubbish on the ground, pick it up and throw it in a bin. If people see you doing this, they might do it too.
Let's read the suggested answer.
The pictures are related to the text because the text is about how to help our planet by cleaning up rubbish, recycling and planting trees.
Now, dear students, you are going to answer the questions. You have some time to do this task. If you are ready, let's see the answers. Question number 1. Why should we avoid using our cars? We should avoid using our cars because they give out harmful gases. Question number 2. What means of transport are less harmful to the environment? Public transport, bicycles, and walking are less harmful to the environment. Question number 3. What can we do if we can't use an item again? If we can't use an item again, we can recycle it. Question number 4. Who can help you to clean up your neighborhood? Neighbors and friends can help to clean up our neighborhood. Question number 5. Why are trees important? Trees are important because they give us oxygen and make our air cleaner too. Question number 6. What should we do if we see rubbish on the ground? If we see rubbish on the ground, we should pick it up. Nice job, students. Students, think and answer. What do we need to do to keep our own neighborhood clean? What is the author's attitude? Let's see the answers. Suggested answer key. What do we need to do to keep our own neighborhood clean? We need to reuse and recycle things. We need to clean up rubbish and plant flowers. We need to walk more and pick up any rubbish we see. This would keep our neighborhood clean, and if everyone did this, the planet would be cleaner too. Next question. What is the author's attitude? The author's attitude is that many people care about the environment and we should all work together to look after our planet. Great job, students. Next is study skills. Linking ideas. When presenting your arguments, link your points with appropriate linkers. This helps the reader follow your essay. Students, let's look at the table and listen to the new words. Pay attention to their translations. Ideal, idealda, drawback, жетіспеушілік, environmentally friendly, экологиялық таза, pollution, ластану, fossil fuel, жанар-жағармай, consume, пайдалану, argument, аргумент, suitable, сәйкес келетін, distance, қашықтық. Students, please pay attention to the linking words. Firstly, also, on the other hand, secondly, to sum up. Which of them list points, conclude, introduce an opposing opinion? Let's see the answer. List points. Firstly, also, secondly, conclude, to sum up. Introduce an opposing opinion, on the other hand. Nice job, students. Students, let's do the next task. Read the statements which are pros, cons of traveling by bus. You have some time to do this task. Students, if you are ready, let's check. Statement number 1. It is a cheap way to travel. Pros. Number 2. They can be tiring. Cons. Number 3. They can be crowded. Cons. Number 4. It is an environmentally friendly means of transport. Pros. Great job, students. Now, dear students, we are going to write a pros-cons essay. Write an essay about the pros and cons of traveling by bus. Follow the plan. Paragraph 1. State the topic. Paragraph 2. Advantages, justifications, examples. Paragraph 3. Disadvantages, justifications, and examples. Paragraph 4. Your opinion. Students, let's try to write a pros-cons essay. If you're ready, let's see the sample. We all need to get around, but what is the best means of transport in a city? To many people, the bus is their first choice. There are certain advantages to traveling by bus. Firstly, it is a cheap way to travel. Tickets don't cost much. Also, it is an environmentally friendly means of transport. This is because when people take the bus, there are fewer cars on the roads. On the other hand, there are drawbacks to traveling by bus. First of all, they can be tiring. Journeys can take a long time. Secondly, they can be crowded. There can be lots of passengers on popular routes. To sum up, there are arguments both for and against traveling by bus. Although buses are cheap and environmentally friendly, they are better for short journeys. For longer journeys, it's better to use a form of transport that is less tiring and less crowded. Dear students, today we have read for specific information, identified linkers and their uses, and identified pros and cons. You did great job. Have a nice day. Goodbye.